So in this video, what I'm doing is I'm just practicing in my sketchbook. I am just taking whatever paint that I have on my brush and I am creating flowers. I really don't know exactly what kind of flowers I'm going to create. I have photographs in front of me. Sometimes I mimic what the photographs look like, and then I add maybe some patterns or dots to enhance the images. This is what I do in my sketchbook to practice, and I never really know how it's going to turn out. Sometimes it turns out great, sometimes it doesn't, but that's why you have a sketchbook, because then if you do find something you really like, then you can take it and create it again. If you forget what it looks like or how you painted it, you have it in your sketchbook. So that's why you have a sketchbook, and this is why I have created a whole practice and play for progress, and then hopefully this progress will take it to profit, where basically whatever you paint, maybe you come up with some really pretty flowers or whatever, and you put them, you scan them into the computer and you put them on a card and it becomes a greeting card, or you can create a pattern with it, or it's an invitation or stationery of some sort. That's what this whole practice and play in our sketchbook is all about. showing you guys my process that I go through when I want to start a new painting, but I don't really know what I want to paint, or I want to just sketch in my sketchbook and play around with shapes that are made up sometimes they're not. Sometimes I see another artist and go, oh, that's kind of cool what they did. Maybe I can do something similar to that. I mean, I don't copy, I do my own thing, but I do look at other people's art. I do look at other people's art to give me inspiration, to give me new ideas. I also buy flowers and really examine what they look like, or pictures of wildflowers, and I just play. And this video is all about just playing in my sketchbook, experimenting, coming up with new shapes, playing around. I have a new brush. I can't even control the brush as much as I can control some of my other brushes. And this is why I have a sketchbook. And I think everybody should have a sketchbook. So I really like the patterns in some of these flowers that I've created. They're not really photographic, but they're very playful. They're really whimsical. They're really fun. So I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm not real crazy about these. I think I'll just go to the next page. At this time, I think I'm finished with this sketch, and I'm going to let it dry and flip the page and do another one. So I'll see you in the next video.